This kit comes with 2 Maglocks, 2 exit buttons, a wireless receiver, 2 remotes, and 3 power supplies. We have kits for outswinging doors, and with 3 different electromagnetic locks weigh 300 pounds, 600 pounds, and 1,200 pounds. These wireless remote buzz-in kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, and much more. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the Maglock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package. You may also install the Maglock on almost any type of door, being metal, wood, glass, and others. The Maglock is installed beneath the top of the door frame, and the armature plate is installed on the door to make sure the door remains closed and locked. An electromagnetic lock only needs to be rated for the strength of the door it holds. The door and frame need to be strong enough to be able to utilize the locking force that's available from our Maglocks. 300, 600, or 1,200 pounds. We recommend a 300 to 600 pounds holding force for interior doors and a holding force of 1,200 or more for higher security, such as exterior doors or interior computer room doors. The LED light on the Maglock helps you identify when the Maglock is locked and unlocked. When the light is red, the Maglock is unlocked. When the light is green, the Maglock is locked. Take advantage of our new and improved LED sensor light, wider and brighter. All of our indoor Maglocks come with a contact sensor wire that you can use to connect to a door sensor. This product has a 3-year warranty. The VIS 7000 is a standard-size push-to-exit button. Being one of the most popular exit buttons, it can be used in residential, commercial, and industrial areas for all different types of applications. With the illuminated backlight and stainless steel plate, it gives the exit button that much more of a presence and professional look. This exit button is for indoor use only and can be used for multiple access control applications and DIY projects. This product has a 3-year warranty. The model VIS-8008 is a 2-channel 315 MHz RF receiver supplied with antenna, and the VIS-8008 is 2 channels remote, and both are commonly used for opening doors, garage doors, and gates. You just press the button on the remote control and the door will unlock. This product has a 3-year warranty. This kit does not include any type of entry device such as keypad/reader for entry. In this kit, you will be able to unlock the door by the exit button and from the remotes that come included in the kit. Get your wireless remote buzz-in kit here. www.fpc-security.com/buzzin-kits.